Hello, my fifth grade scientists. Okay, so we have a few things to discuss. I graded all these quizzes, and I have to say, I'm not impressed. Some of you did really well, some had a really hard time with it. And I know that if questions were missed, it was because you guys had trouble navigating Canvas. Because the questions were, how can you access lecture videos? Um, the course calendar is found by clicking on blank. So I'm going to go through the questions and I'm going to give you the answers and I'm going to show you how to find that stuff. And you can retake the quiz, and I would be so glad if everyone had 100% because this is very important information. The quiz was only just navigating Canvas and get to know you questions, and I really enjoyed the get to know you questions. So thank you guys for your thought out responses there. So I'm going to share my screen and I'm going to show you how to navigate Canvas once more. Unfortunately, I'm not convinced all of you watched the video that I already posted of this, but that's okay. That's okay. We'll just start over. Okay, so this is the science page. When you click on your course, so you'll have courses and then you'll see fifth grade science. So this is what it will look like. When you do that, and you were thinking, okay, what do I need to do for science? The good thing to do would be to click modules. I will put everything you need to do here. So when the quiz asked, one of the questions was, you can access lecture videos by clicking on. The answer is modules. So we clicked on modules and now you see the lecture videos. See, we see the video on setting up your science notebook for this week. I hope you guys get a chance to do that. Chances are, if you're watching this video, you probably know to click on modules because this video is in modules. So you guys are doing great. If you figured this out, good for you. Okay, so yes, this is modules, very important. Absorb that information. You need to know how to do something. Click on modules. Okay, register that, put it in the quiz if you retake it and get 100%. Now I'm going back to home. Okay, the next question that was missed was you can find the course calendar by clicking on, and the answer is syllabus. So syllabus is a big word, right? So a syllabus is something that shows you all of the stuff that you're doing for the first quarter. It tells you the objectives, meaning like your goals, what you'll learn for the quarter, when you'll learn it. So if you scroll down, there's this calendar. All right? And it's part of the syllabus. This calendar here, I don't mess with that. That is for, I think that just like compiles things from your other classes and stuff. Most teachers, from my understanding, I don't mess with this. So that calendar does not have to do with me usually. So just if you're thinking, okay, what's next for this week in science? What do I need to do? Relax, relax. You will come to syllabus. You'll click on syllabus and you'll look at the calendar. So what's this week? Oh, there's the date. That's this week. Okay, I need to, this says topic, teacher will post, student will do, and then you'll need. So the topic for this week is the welcome video. So I sent out a video about get to know me. And then the other topic is the science notebook. So you guys need to set up your science notebooks this week, right? So teacher will post science notebook video. That's what I posted. Students will do. Let's scroll down. Decorate cover of science notebook. Set up science notebook. Oh look, we also don't have a Friday quiz this week. Great. I think, since there's no Friday quiz this week, it would be a really good idea to redo the quiz you took last week. I really want you guys to understand how to find the stuff on this page. It's very important. If you have not read the syllabus, which is this page that I'm on right now, make sure to do that. There's important information there, and it will really help you stay organized. And, okay, I'm gonna go back to home. That was another question. So we've talked about 2 questions so far. We said you can access lecture videos by clicking on, lecture videos are found at modules. Okay, and we also said the course calendar is found by clicking on the syllabus. Great, okay. So another question that was missed was that I recommend doing course lessons on Tuesdays and Wednesdays. So the answer is Tuesdays and Wednesdays. I stated that in the welcome video, so if you watched the welcome video, maybe you got it. I also put in the question, I said, hint, look at the syllabus. The syllabus says in writing that I recommend doing your lessons on Tuesdays and Wednesdays. So if you got that wrong, here's the answer now. All right, there's Grace. We will just now know I recommend doing it on Tuesdays and Wednesdays. Why does Ms. Hillock recommend doing that? So that you have Thursday to ask questions. And then on Friday, you can take your quiz. And the reason why I don't say Monday and Wednesday is because there's that day in between, Tuesday, where you might forget some of the stuff from the day before. And so that's why I recommend Tuesdays and Wednesdays for lecture videos and check your understanding assignments. So lock that in, Tuesdays and Wednesdays. Okay, so we have 3 questions, right? Where do you find lecture videos? Modules. Where is the course calendar? Syllabus. I recommend doing course lessons and the check your understanding assignments on what days? Tuesdays, Wednesdays. Okay. Now, there will be a Friday quiz every week unless I say otherwise. So this week, there is no Friday quiz. The reason why I don't want a Friday quiz this week is because I think that as 5th grade, if you didn't do well on that first quiz, it'd be a great idea to retake it because you really need to know where to find things. So that's what we're doing. Okay, so what else do we need to see? Announcements. Let me explain announcements. This was not on the quiz, but it's just important to know. So we talked about syllabus and how that had a calendar. If there are any changes to the syllabus, because this year is a little crazy. So if any changes happen to the syllabus, I'll put it in the announcements. So just be checking your announcements regularly. Okay, so my most recent announcement was that we're not doing a Friday quiz this week. Great. So, yes. With all of that said, I really do hope that you guys take the opportunity I'm giving you to retake the quiz for a 100%. You can just keep taking it until you get a 100%. And yeah, I hope that you really are taking this time to understand where to find things in Canvas. That is so important, and it will be important for all your other classes too. And this is a great time because you'll get to earn points for knowing how to do this information, or sometimes you might not even get any points for knowing how to do that. So, okay, that's what I have to say about the quiz, and I do hope that you guys take this chance to redo it and think about those answers.